whisper that held my name. Every step you were by my side, even when I didn't know the way. You gave without asking, you stayed when I strayed. A love that never fades. This is the heart that carries me through the storms and gentle breeze. It's not just words, it's everything. The way you love, the way you see. Time moves on, but some things stay, like the warmth in a quiet hand. Every tear that you brushed away left a flower where I used to stand. You saw what I couldn't. You knew when I broke and held me soft and close. This is the light that shows the way through the noise and shades of gray. It's not just hope, it's memory of how you gave your love to me. Love's not always loud, not always bright. It lives in the softest parts of life, in the small and the true, in the fight to stay, in the words we never had to say. This is the bond I carry still, through the highs and through the still. It's not just past, it's part of me, a deeper truth I came to see. This is the love that made me whole, in every breath, in every song. It's not the end, it's legacy, a quiet kind of symphony. Butterflies in my stomach, heart racing fast. Never thought this moment would come to pass. Your eyes meet mine, you get down on one knee. Is this real? Am I dreaming? Can it be? Oceans swirling, tears start to form, alive together, away from the norm. Yes, I'll say yes to a future so bright. Yes, I'll say yes, our love takes flight. This ring on my finger, a promise so true. Yes, I'll say yes to a lifetime with you. Memories flash by, all that we've shared. Every laugh, every tear, how much we've cared. Now here we stand on the brink of forever, two hearts united to face life together. Questions arise, but love conquers fear. Our path ahead becomes crystal clear. Yes, I'll say yes to dreams we'll pursue. Yes, I'll say yes, our bond ever new. This moment so perfect, I'll cherish always. Yes, I'll say yes to our love's new phase. Questions arise for the days to come. no hesitation, no doubt in my mind. You're the one I've been waiting for all this time. Through laughter and tears and sickness and health, our love is a treasure worth more than our wealth. As we step forward into the unknown, our love will guide us, we're never alone. Yes, I'll say yes to the life we'll create. Yes, I'll say yes, it must be fate. This moment so magical, forever we'll share. Yes, I'll say yes, our love beyond compare.
Silver threads in the seams of our laughter, every step a melody untamed, dancing through the echoes of ever after. Never once did we need a name. Hold my hands, pull me closer. Like gravity, we bend and break. Every scar, every whisper turns to gold in the light we make. We are more than vows and paper, more than rings or borrowed time, carved in winds and woven fire. We are rhythm, we are rhyme. Chasing light through the cracks in the ceiling, traces of the lives we outgrew. Shed the weight, let the silence start healing. Every piece of me leans into you. Fold me in, pull me under, like rivers twisting toward the sea. Every scar, every wonder turns to gold between you and me. We are more than vows and paper, more than rings or borrowed time, carved in winds and woven fire. We are rhythm, we are rhyme. No white doves, no glass slippers, only hands that won't let go. No scripted words, just heartbeats singing love that only we can know. We are more than vows and paper, more than rings or borrowed time, woven deep like roots and thunder. We are rhythm, we are almost but a presence, not a moment but a climb, bound in tides and endless embers. We are rhythm, we are rhyme. chasing light through the cracks in the ceiling, traces of the lives we outgrew. Shed the weight, let the silence start healing. Every piece of me leans into you. Fold me in, pull me under, like rivers twisting toward the sea. Every scar, every wonder turns to gold between you and me. We are more than vows and paper, more than rings or borrowed time, carved in winds and woven fire. We are rhythm, we are rhyme. No white doves, no glass slippers, only hands that won't let go. No scripted words, just heartbeats singing love that only we can know. We are more than vows and paper, more than rings or borrowed time, woven deep like roots and thunder.